Are you short on time and you need a fast dinner? Let's see how this chicken Alfredo is. We are not going to need much of anything for this. So let's see what we're going to need. We are going to make this chicken Alfredo. Now we're just going to need to warm up our pan to medium-high heat. Make sure we have a lid for it. So let's get this pan warming up, shall we? Once our pan is warmed up to medium-high heat, we will throw in our chicken Alfredo mix. That's how you know you have a hot pan. So what we are going to do with this is we are going to cover it and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring on occasion to blend the ingredients. So let's make this real quick and see how good it was. After 9 minutes, this is how mine came out. You have to remember, you need to mix it up while it's cooking as well. Alright, so let's see if it's any good, shall we? So I think with a little extra sauce and some additional seasoning, this could be a real winning dish. If you add some veggies with it, it'd make it even more filling. If this has helped you, you can leave a like and a comment and subscribe. It does help a lot. I hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.